Here we go. Oh boy. I shouldn't say we. I should say me. Here I go on my very first solo camping experience. Oh my goodness, there was some excitement. I just had a sheriff with his lights on come up right behind me like lickety split.
Still have my shorts on.
So we are going to a campsite. See how crazy it is? Like there's usually the two of us all the time, and teach their own, right? So many of you campers out there, you might be solo campers. You might have a partner. Andy and I, we love going camping together, but I figured it was about time that I try and do it myself and experience it, make sure I know what I'm doing in case of an emergency or, who knows. All right, well, looks like here's my camp spot, 115, and I need to back in. Eek. This ought to be fun and exciting, backing in for the very first time. All right, so let's see. That's pretty good. Whew. It's windy, very windy. Oof, so we're a little off. Look at that view. That is truly amazing. It's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful day truck camping. Welcome to my campsite. So I've got myself pretty much situated, and I'm gonna have a few snacks, and I'll take you on a little tour around the campsite. Got myself all backed in and situated. You can probably hear the wind. It's definitely a gusty one today, but what a spot, huh? I mean, this is just gorgeous. This is what I love so much about Arizona and going camping and just being one with nature. It's just so beautiful.
What up?
I made it.
Yay.
All by myself.
Yay.
Yeah, it's a bit blustery out.
Yeah, I noticed that.
So I just got a chance to meet the neighbor. She is here solo camping as well. And we just had a really enjoyable time talking about how she got to Arizona, where she's from, just kind of her travels, where she's camped. Very adventurous, and it's very exciting because I give a lot of credit to women, especially going off and camping alone. And she's not totally alone because she does have two dogs, Einstein and Edison. Very cute dogs. So I think I've gotten a little bit of sun, on my shoulders and stuff, just over there chatting and getting to know my neighbor, and it's been really fun. So I might have to go inside for a little bit and take a break. Yeah, that might be a good idea. So I've been wanting to make these little treats for quite some time now. We went over to a friend's house for dinner, and they had these. Amazing. So I didn't think, nothing of them at first, but they had this cinnamon cranberry goat cheese, and I got that too. That's at home. But I thought, okay, I'm going to try the wild blueberry as well, because that just sounds really good to me. Really good and refreshing. So you just take a date and remove the pit. Oh, this is a very mushy date. This one I might just eat. This one's really good. And if you like dates, like we do, oh my goodness, we have so many amazing recipes that we do with dates. They're just a really delicious, good for you treat. Like we make brownie balls, stick them in the freezer. Oh, they taste just like brownies. They're to die for. But you just put some of this in the inside of your date. It's unbelievable. Just all you need is a little bit. And it's already mixed up and good, and I just need a little knife here or something to scoop this out. I haven't tried the blueberry yet, so we'll see what this is all like. My fridge is really cold. It's got these things really, it's got the blueberry goat cheese really cold. Oop, can't miss a blueberry. So look at that. Nummy. That is really, really good. This stuff I got at a local marketplace that we have in Arizona, but my friend got hers at Aldi's, and Aldi's are everywhere, so you should be able to find it. Check out my dinner views, right? Check that out. Isn't that amazing? So beautiful. I am gonna have a simple dinner. Gonna enjoy some sushi. Haven't had sushi in a while. I hope it's really good. Sometimes, it's a little old, it's a little stale, but I'm hoping it's delicious. It's all right. It's a little stale. The crispies aren't quite as crispy, but it's not bad. It'll do. Somebody is having a fire. I can smell it. Smells so good. That's making me want to have a fire. So we'll see. Maybe I'll give it a little longer and we'll start one up here in a little bit. Like that sunset? It's starting. I'm going to go for a little walk and just kind of burn off those not so great sushi rolls. So that was a lot of fun. Got to enjoy a good campfire. The wind pretty much cooperated and died down. And my newfound friend, Gabriella, she came over and enjoyed the campfire and some good conversation again. So it was a beautiful night. A lot of fun. One thing I am going to do is spray off my clothes because for a while there, I had a very smoky piece of firewood. Just spray our clothes. It smells so good and so fresh. And then they don't stink like smoke from the campfire and everything before we put them away. Still have my shorts on. But then I won't smell like a smoky fire. This stuff, like I said, is the bomb. Andy sprays it in his car. Spray it all over the camper. Because it just makes things smell good. I'm going to spray it up on my bed. Yeah. That smells good. I'm going to shower up and get ready for a movie. Make some popcorn. All right. Well, one thing I forgot to do. Oh, there's like a rock on the floor. One thing I forgot to do was turn on the heater. So unless I want a cold shower right now, that would not be fun. So while I wait for it to heat up, which shouldn't take too long, I'm just going to get my coffee ready for the morning. And no, I am not going to even attempt the percolator. That's Andy's. That is totally his thing. So I am going to use our little tiny coffee maker. And hopefully I can make this work right. Oh, and I gotta make sure I turn on the pump before I hop in the shower. Otherwise, I will not have water pressure. All these little things to remember. Although I gotta say, I've been doing really well. So I'm very, very proud of myself solo camping. Well, good morning. I survived. I made it. Oh man, it's so beautiful out. I don't think I slept the greatest though, that's for sure. It was a little hot because yesterday was pretty warm. It was like 90 degrees, and even when I opened up the roof hatch to let some cool breezes in, it was kind of warm in here for a little while. But it cooled down, and I think I was just kind of like on alert in case anything was going to happen. Great experience. I'm so glad that I decided to do a solo camp. And truly a solo camp, because Andy did not help me do a thing. He made sure that the night before I went out and I hooked up the battery and I turned on the refrigerator by myself and filled up the water tank. Like I literally brought the truck over, filled it up with all the stuff I needed for camping, and drove it out here. And I made it. And I didn't hit anything. And met a really great gal, Gabriella. She's already gone this morning. She was getting up at the butt crack of dawn to go on a hike with a friend that was coming out and with her dogs. So that's fun. She invited me, but I just like to sleep in on the weekends a little bit if I can and just get up and enjoy my coffee. Usually, like, Andy's up way before I am, and then he's got a coffee
cup already down him, and he's ready to go. So this morning I can just chill and relax and take my time, drinking my coffee, enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, you can see the Superstition Mountains. The sun has come up over them. I mean, how gorgeous is that? You know, see the little critters running around. The quails are in the back over there, just pecking away and chirping. Have a good one. I need to enjoy my morning in peace and quiet, and pack up and head home.